Hi there, I am going to show in this tutorial how to repair the Imei for Huawei Lua U22, alias known as Y32. This one is based on MTK 6582 chip. So as you will observe soon, this phone has the Imei info damaged, so we are planning to repair the Imei as it appears on the back sticker of the phone. In order to do this, I am going to use Fly Captain Huawei module from pack 7. I am going to select here new MTK USB mode, and now I'm going to power off the device. I'm going to remove the USB cable from the phone, and now I'm going to press detect phone on the software. Once the software starts searching for the phone, I am going to enter the USB cable in the powered off phone. As you can see, if everything is okay, the phone gets detected by the software, and the phone should stay hanged in the Huawei logo. So the phone has been successfully detected. So now we are going to the repair tab and repair the Imei number 1 as it appears on the phone sticker. And we are going to also repair the Imei number 2, because this is a dual SIM phone. And now I'm going to press repair. That is, the phone reboots right now. And we are going to power it soon and check if the Imei got repaired. So let's check the phone. As you can see, the Imei got successfully repaired. These are the same numbers as we entered in the software, so everything went just fine. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.